Rafale in the skies where it will operate out of Ambala and from its other base at Hashimara will dominate the area around it. It is the best aircraft in the sky at this time. To compare it with anything like what the Pakistanis have, like the F-16 and the GF-17, would be not anything serious. Similarly, if you were to compare the Rafale against the J-20 Chengdu, I think the Rafale stands heads and shoulder above both these types of aircrafts and anything else that the Pakistanis and the Chinese can throw at us at this time.